Alright, update on the motorized bicycle. Lighting. Anyway. Homemade little circuit here. Works perfect just to get the job done. Shabby kickstand. That's shitty. Got it off eBay. But does what it does. Homemade battery kit. Now this one at the top is the brightest, but this here is just good just for the road clearance, potholes, bumps, glass, etc. This one has a built-in switch though. And I made a homemade circuit board right here out of a bread clip, etc, etc. Kill switch. Now, as of right now, obviously the motor isn't on there. It's gone through some head repair. But 9-volt battery powers everything. Pretty useful. Comes in handy. I kept the stock tensioner. It's a little troublesome at first, but it form fits after you run it. 44. Thinking about upgrading. 32. Definitely getting the sick bike parts jack shaft. I'll do a video on that one later. But this is the upgrade. By the way, buyers beware. This is what happens to a motorized bicycle with no rubber padding, anything. Straight frame, heat and vibration. Yeah, that's just how sharp that is. I cut myself. Yeah, sawed right through that. This is the first frame I had it on. Trek 820. Ran for a good couple of months. No, not even. Maybe like 2 weeks. I lost track of time. Oh, this will come in handy for my shifter cable. Right now, I'm going through a head and piston rebuild. Blew it up, running too hard. As you can see, still just an average everyday bottom end bicycle motor, what you usually find on the 2-stroke. Got a case coming for this. I have no idea how. Lost my magneto cover. New flower nut coming. It's reversed because I stripped it. Shit. Other than that, whole new top end comes. When I get it back running, I'll do a video of that. This baby will go sweet. But yeah, this is just the build so far. Oh, big mistake. If you want to be like me and pre-mix gas and oil, do not do that. All gas and oil mixtures must be fresh. That's how I blew up my motor the first time. Here's the old head. Not much damage to the head, as you can see. It's a little scorched. And you can see right in here it's got a little damage. Skirting. So I don't get all the compression. Head's still good. Here's the piston. Yeah, I know, right? I know exactly. Just fucked it all off. Bad carbon. But yeah, just an update. Signing out.